Read it from here.
I was wondering where you were at.
Yeah.
The work's done. Then you show up.
What's up, everybody? It is what is today? I believe it's Wednesday. It's been about 2 weeks since I've made a video. We've had so much rain and ice and sleet. So we got the Duramax out. I mean, heck, it's been setting for, shoot, probably a year now. I know we just threw it back together to get it over there, but it needs wheel studs, I believe. We did a brake job deal on it. A bunch of stuff was wrong. This is not actually a dually, but we made it a dually with spacers and stuff. It's actually a short bed, 3/4 ton. Done us well for a long time. Heck, it's got 498, 939. We did pull the Malibu out. I think Dad just cleaned up the plugs on it and got it fired up and drove out around the back. Golly, but look at this.
All the weather we had. At my house, we got some neighborhood cats. They like to crawl all over everything.
You realize you're making a mess.
No, what's the plan? What are we doing? Okay.
Probably.
So, spacer, and then we have another spacer on that spacer.
These are Ford wheels. This is a 3/4 ton truck, so you have to run this spacer to keep it off the lease rings. Believe it or not, we have used this truck to pull trailers and never had a problem.
Wait, too. And we've pulled these off, checked them, and they've never been a problem as far as like backing off or anything like that. You kind of don't know where anything to the truck is because it was like over a year ago. We tried to get it back on the road. I think we're gonna use it as a fuel truck. We need 8 wheel studs and 8 lug nuts to get it back. Probably gonna be blurry. Randy. Wrong part, Randy.
Watch your mouth, I'll cut your hair off. What do you want?
You have any of these studs?
What?
I mean,
Can you read that?
says metric.
Can you read that?
I can.
What is it?
I don't know.
Read
Can't
it.
read it from here. Oh my God. Can you not?
Bring your nut.
Randy's
The
been
things that kids don't know about.
Well, Randy's been working here. So.
We got our wheel studs. Hopefully they're right because they mic a little bit different than the other ones did. So we'll just have to see.
The reason why we're fixing this problem to begin with is because Ethan here screwed it all up. That's why we're in all of this back and forth trying to find wheel studs and stuff like that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Because back before I was driving, which, you know, I'm 46 years old. And back in that days, these people from Texas and all over different states were coming to cruise 12th Street. And it was like on the news and big deal. And then they started shutting down one of the lanes and for emergency vehicles only. So it kind of made it difficult to cruise. And then they kind of slowly shut it down. During COVID, when they brought back 12th Street Cruise during that time, then man, it was so packed.
We already got an issue?
Not gonna work.
They're not?
Take it over to Wade. I have something that I'd like to see if you could maybe figure out for me real quick if you had time.
Sweet. It's getting there. Now I gotta put it in. I'm gonna go test. Well, that's one. Oh yeah, I bet you that'll ship. I haven't broken anything yet, but I'm gonna try it. There's no shortage of junk on the floor. Out. These are chassis side. Those are chassis side. So
Awesome.
So yeah, these are the brackets that I posted. Yeah, because this one was like a 500 inch, wasn't it?
598.
598.
It's already got cylinders that are like paper in between.
Mm-hmm.
See how long it takes for a Pro Charger to split that?
Mm-hmm.
Might as well dry deck it. At that point.
There's almost not enough room left in it to even O-ring it either.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, those would be.
But ideally, yeah, it should be dry decked and O-ring, but
I wish the LS's would have had the 5-bolt design instead of the 4-bolt stuff. I've been looking like here lately. I've just been watching a bunch of like small block Chevy stuff and big block stuff. Could you even get 2 O-rings right there
damn tough.
and get them to seal?
They would overlap each other in the center. The grooves would actually break each other's path.
Okay.
And at that point, there's not much strength left.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna drill them all. Yeah. Might as well. And I'm getting more out running back and forth.
Yeah. Go get our junk back together.
Yeah.
Well, all right. Thank you, Wade.
You betcha.
I posted those brackets on my Instagram. I guess I could try to link that in the video. I don't know how to do that yet, but good. We're gonna call it good there, and we got to change the oil in it, run some seafoam through some stuff, clean all the fuel injectors up and all that.
What it needs.
Okay, it's the next morning now. We're gonna go pull the motor out of the Nova today. Last night we didn't do anything else. We went out to eat, and Cracker Barrel got us. Ended up shopping there forever last night, but anyway. What's up, Tanner?
I was wondering where you were at.
Yeah.
The work's done. Then you show up. What are you working on?
I'm pulling the motor out of the Nova today.
Ooh.
Yeah. Well, got the car on blocks. About to pull the motor out of it. If I can keep them from bothering me too much.
Ain't gonna happen.
got the motor out of the car, got it ready to take the wades. I do not have all of the footage of us pulling the motor out. There was a lot of things going on, and couldn't get it all filmed. So
It's all stripped down, ready to go.
oh, hang on, be right back. Yeah, gotta take it to Wade so he can sprinkle some magic dust on it and make it go fast.